Hello, welcome back to the Spider's Web. We've had a little bit of a shock over the weekend. Last night I just got back from my dad's and we found that Rizzie had passed away in his sleep. But Ollie, do you want to join me here with you?
Yes.
We have already a replacement because we've got this big cage for him. So what we have, let me just turn around. We've got all the original stuff back in. The house that I made
has been cleaned.
Yeah, it has been cleaned out. The house I made has made a reappearance because Rizzie passed away in that little woven.
It was like a bird cocoon, as I call it.
It passed away and then we had to cut it open to get at him to make sure it was okay, and obviously it wasn't. So all of the bedding has been changed. All of the sand has been changed. The plastic clipped together thing is in pieces because that's been cleaned. Much the same as everything else. We still have a stone to put in there, but do you want to put him in and put him where there's a bit of light so we can see him.
Turn that light on.
Yeah, turning that light on is not going to make a blindest bit of difference because it's
not
pointing upwards. So we have our new friend.
Oh, he's there already.
Here he is, ready for coming out. He's very, very friendly. Here we go. We just make. So I stand back now, Ollie. So I'm going to make an appearance when he's ready. As you can see by looking at him through the box, he's black and white. So because he's black and white, I chose the name Minstrel. Here he comes. Let's see if he's going to be impressed with his new abode. There he is. Straight towards us.
Hello, Minstrel.
So there we are. That's our new friend Minstrel. Our new family member Minstrel. We'll tip his old bedding out from his cage and we'll just let him wander for a few moments. There we are. He's checking out his new home.
Aww.
So he has water in his container. He has food out. All we need now is hopefully this time a friendly, sociable little hamster.
Yeah.
So there we are. That's our new family member.
It's a bit easier to see as well because it's white.
Yeah. So there he is. Heck. Hope he lasts a little longer.
I think he will.
He
will.
he looks much more outgoing and much more friendly, and we was able to interact with him in the pet shop, so that is a good sign, and he wasn't being aggressive when he was taken out of his cage, so again a good sign. So there we are. This is Minstrel. Where's he gone? Oh. Don't worry, no minstrels were hurt in the making of this video. Right, where is he? There he is. So he's found his little bathing area, I think. Oh, not bathing area, toilet area. So we have to keep an eye on that one because Rizzie used to go down there as well. But he's found also one of Rizzie's favourite places to sleep. And with that, I think we're going to call this video. Oh, it comes straight through. Okay, he's there. So I'm going to say, I'm going to call this video, bring this video to an end. Hope you enjoyed it. Just waiting. Hopefully he's going to go into his wheel very soon. But he's already so much different to Rizzie, because he's all over the place and he's digging and doing what hamsters are supposed to do. So fingers crossed we have another long-term member of the family. So that's it from us.
Is he having a bath?
Yeah, he's found himself a nice little corner to chill in.
Hello.
I'm going to stop zooming in because every time I zoom in he has a tendency of moving. So he's going to each corner and digging up. So I don't know whether he's trying to make a big fan of an escape route, which is probably what he is actually doing. He's probably looking for an escape route. But
it's funny.
That's it from us. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Until next time, take care, God bless, and bye for now.